Oh,
Uh, okay. Do you remember what we did yesterday? What our lesson was yesterday?
and yesterday was hmm, is busy student? No, no why.
Excuse me, what's that?
Busy student.
Busy students. That's right. We were talking about busy students. Yeah. Yesterday we were talking about what? Oh, that's the name of the unit. Yeah, it's called busy students. But the lesson we did was called what? Do you remember?
No.
That that one was called adverbs.
Okay.
Not okay. Say adverbs.
And works.
Yeah,
Okay.
adverbs. That's right. Okay.
I still remember that word quickly though.
Do you remember what?